Hey, what's up, boys? Back with the first vlog of the year. Go ahead and adjust this real quick. We're just going to kind of go over the content that's coming up because I have a bunch of episodes that are pre-done that I did over the winter time, and we have one of the new motor which is going to be happening over the year. So like I said many times, this M20 in this car has already been it's kind of going down the shitter and it's starting to get ready to go out. So we're just going to try to prolong the life of it for the rest of the year. I'm not going to drive it like a super amount of times, but I just want to, still drive and enjoy the car for what I can this year before the motor gets taken out and all that stuff. So the car is outside right now, as you can see. We have an oil change to do, put some new spark plugs in it, and we're going to put some heavy duty oil Lucas inside of it just to kind of help out the motor, quiet it down a little bit, and just help it a little bit more through the year. But we're just gonna test it out. But anyways, just kind of cleaning out the garage right now. So I'm gonna flip you around and we're gonna go over what we have over here. All right, so like I said, just kind of cleaning out the garage, and I've already drove the car a little bit today. My daily took a shit, so it's currently in the shop right now. So we had to drive the e30 to have something to drive. So over here we have, like I said, we got the Lucas. We have the Lucas heavy duty oil stabilizer if I could talk. We just got a K&N filter because that's all they had in stock at O'Reilly's Auto. And then we got the Castrol GTX high mileage. We're gonna go with the 1040 and then put 4 quarts of that in and then 1 quart of this Lucas in. And then we just got some Autolite coppers for the spark plugs. So let's get the car in here. It does need to get washed, but it's probably not gonna be for a few days. But we're gonna get the car in here and then go ahead and do the oil change and change the spark plugs out, because after driving about 500 or 600 miles, the spark plugs get corroded up with blow by or whatever it is, and then the car starts popping and then starts acting funny. So the car's already been burning oil for the past year. So like I said, the M20 is kind of on its way out. So we're building an entire stroker motor, and that will be the first episode of the year. Even though I did an entire audio build inside the car, we're just gonna go ahead and do the stroker video first, and then we'll go straight into the audio build. And then I still got a few more things to do for that, and then we're also doing some stuff to the interior as well. So I just kind of want to make this quick little video and then do a little first drive, and just kind of take the car out for a little spin, since it's been basically in the garage all year long. We're also going to be checking out the new GoPro Hero 10 for the inside driving clip, and then see how that kind of goes. But yeah, do that, wash the car for the first time for the year, get the foam cannon out and all that good stuff, and yeah, let's get her in here. So as you saw from that oil cloud, when the car started up, she's definitely burning oil. So let's go ahead and get this car jacked up and go through that whole process, and get the spark plugs changed out and do the oil change, and hopefully she quiets down a little bit and kind of stops the oil burning a little bit, but I doubt it. But we're just going to do it just so we can have the car to drive over the summer as much as we can. just going to go ahead and get the car repositioned back over there farther so I can do the spark plugs and not be in the way of this side of the garage and put all my tools back there. But yeah, hopefully this kind of helps it. I know it's not super fast to work, but we'll see if it does anything probably by the end of this video. Alright boys, we're just going to leave this for tomorrow. We were just using some GoPro footage just so we could test out the footage on it. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead, call it a day. It's starting to rain. Well, it's been raining, but yeah. We're just going to go ahead and empty this oil real quick and get the spark plugs done tomorrow because I don't really feel like messing with them. Kind of got a headache. So let's get them done tomorrow. And then in a couple of days, we'll give her her first wash for the year. And then hopefully we're kind of good for, you know, driving it for the summer. Like I said, I'm just not going to drive it too much, but we're just going to try to drive it as much as we can. Alright, so got the spark plugs done. Just take you over here and look at them. They're not as bad as they usually are, but then again, I just did them not too long ago. I don't know exactly when, but the last two cylinders are probably the worst. But as you can see, they're all black. They got carbon buildup on them. After a while, the last two cylinders will basically get so much carbon buildup or blow by or whatever it is that it completely corrodes on this end of the tip and then basically causes it to start popping and misfiring. So these are probably 500 or 600 miles, I think. But like I said, everything is pretty much done. I already cleaned out the car today. It's a little dirty in here because we were doing a little project today, but look at that. All the water spots, even on the Zender spoiler, freaking dust all over. I gotta order some things for my my detail collection over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this car washed probably on Wednesday because it's supposed to rain Monday and Tuesday. So I guess I'll order the stuff for my foam cannon to get that fixed up and then do the first wash on this. So yeah, just wanted to show you what the spark plugs look like. Alright, so trying to get the car out of the driveway right now. Just have to put these boards down. Oh, you know, this is really annoying having to do all the time. Even with bags, still have to have boards to get out of the stupid ass driveway. Alright, we're just gonna turn this way. So basically first day driving after everything. So I'm gonna take these boards up real quick. Alright, so we're just taking it to work today since the daily is still not back from the shop. Got about another week, so. But yeah, let's go to the job site. I would have had the camera on the roof, but for some reason I can't find the fucking the other suction cup mount, which is unfortunate. But after we leave work today, we're just gonna go drive around, take a couple pictures, then I'm gonna go home and wash the car. I didn't get my stuff for the foam cannon and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just wash it normally with the pressure washer because the foam cannon's on the fridge right now. So. But yeah, not gonna be anything too crazy. I just want to get this video over with so it doesn't drag on too long. Got all these damn cars. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to Burger King real quick, get some breakfast, some French toast sticks, and then go to the job. And yeah, we'll see you there. Probably keep the driving clip going a little bit. I don't want it to be too long of a clip. Hopefully the angle's okay for the GoPro. We are using the GoPro 10 Black right now as well. We're shooting in a wide field of view, 4K 24. definitely a different feeling driving a, well, let me go back to driving height. We're fucking all the way aired up here. It's got the air remote here. Go up a little bit in the rear. A little scrape action, I heard it. Alright, like I said, we'll see you at the job. Let's get what we usually get for breakfast.
Hi, thank you for choosing Burger King. How may I help you?
Can I just have a number 4 meal with an orange juice?
You said with orange juice?
Yeah.
Alright, anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
Alright, I hate to for you at the second window.
Alright, boys. We got the French toast stick action. That's how we gotta do it. The first window or the second window? Go to the job and eat. Love this exhaust. Even though the motor is going out, boys. She definitely got some bottom end noise, which is unfortunate. It's kind of annoying low key too, because I just did, it seemed to be just fine before I did the 5-speed swap. Then I noticed when I did the 5-speed swap, it started fucking smoking and just a bunch of shit. So I'm not really sure what caused it, but I don't like it. And this is the original motor, like I said, so. But we'll cover that in the stroker video. Backfire. Wheel straight and then we can air out. Alright, air out for the peasants. I'm going down. Should be aired out. Alright, I'm gonna eat my lunch or eat my breakfast, and then when we're done with work, we'll go shoot some more clips and then kind of shoot some pictures as well today. And then wash the car, and then this video will be done. Alright, so just got back from work, kind of getting everything set up. Just gonna be a quick wash. I don't have my foam cannon fixed because I haven't had a chance to order the stuff and get the new metering tips and everything like that. So I got my Sun Joe pressure washer here. Then we have just some Grio's Garage wheel cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of that. I'm going to use the super concentrated car wash. I do want to get the snow foam. I just haven't got a chance to get it. That's going to be with my order to fix the foam can and rebuild that. We have the ceramic glass cleaner, and then I'm just going to use Best of Show spray wax just in some spaces to help as a drying aid and give it some more little bit of gloss pop. Then I just got some random wheel cleaner just so I can use it on the tires. Wheel brush. And yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna kind of go over the car. And I did wipe it down the other day, last night basically, but she's definitely not clean. So the paint feels gross. And just gonna go ahead and knock this out so it's a little bit clean. I'm not going to film any of this process. I'm just going to go ahead and knock it out real quick and then show you what it looks like after she's all done. Alright, so we'll go out here, take a little walk around of it. Just got done cleaning it. Took about I don't know, about an hour. But she's definitely, like I said, the M20 is kind of acting real goofy. So, but she looks nice for now. But yeah, I'm going to take a few pictures while the car's out front, aired out. But looks pretty good, nice and shiny, even though the paint is shit, but she looks pretty good. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm not really gonna go take any pictures. I might do it tomorrow, but not really a big deal. Just want to kind of get this video over with. So yeah, just got done cleaning her, and like I said, the next episodes coming up soon are the stroker introduction video, where I kind of go over everything that I have so far. And then, like I said, the audio build is after that, so Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. Like I said, plenty of content coming up this season, but just depends how the E30 runs if she decides to take a shit before the end of the year. Like I said, I'm not going to try to drive it too much. I just want to, you know, get some time to drive in, because it is one of my favorite things to do, drive the car. So this is just covering like the first maintenance and wash of the season. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the next video. Peace.